everybody. My name's Amara and I'm 10 years old from Manatee County, Florida. Today, I'm here to tell you 2 things about what makes a healthy planet. First, what is a healthy planet? A healthy planet supports healthy people, like eating well and driving electric cars. It means having fresh air, water, food, recreation, and natural beauty. Also, recycling in your community and doing compost is very important. It reduces the amount of trash usage. Being aware about the amount of water we use, like taking shorter showers, doing laundry, using the dishwasher, and much more. Secondly, what actions would I do to improve the planet if I was in charge? I would plant trees for better air and grow a garden with my favorite fruits and veggies. Having people being vegetarian or vegan can slow climate change and secure our global supply of food and water. An interesting fact, being vegan can save over 200,000 gallons of water a year. That's a lot. Also, being vegan means saving 70% less water a year of CO2. Animals and humans breathing out CO2 causes the air to get warmer, so it creates climate change, which causes more hurricanes like Ian. It is my hope that positive change can continue to improve for a healthier planet. Bye!